Our first flood.
The National Weather Service in Pocatello has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Fremont County and southeastern Idaho until 8:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in the city of Ashton and surrounding area. Between 1.75 and 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ashton, Marysville, Ashton Reservoir, Warm River and Ashton Hill.